And for those of you wondering why these are being replaced, here's the new one, the new Monrose. If you push it down, it comes right back out. As you saw with the old one on the other side, and probably this one, I haven't done it to this one. I can't even push this one down, hold on. Yeah, I can't even push this one down. It's actually like overwise. So, yeah, these definitely need to be replaced. So I got that out. Put this one back in. The bolt. The other one. Throw this on there, and then I'll jack it up on the axle, or just on something. With new one. Oh man, I'm dumb. Hold on. Yeah. Here we go. Forgot to put that on first. And then you toss on the other side. Get that on there. And then for those of you guys, if you're doing this at home, the thicker nut goes on the bottom. Because this top is your locking. Holes in the ground is your locking nut, so you don't come loose. Jack this up a little more. And I imagine you guys get the point by now. So I'm gonna crank these down and we'll be done. So we're all done there, we're all tightened down. I gotta tighten down that bottom one. I don't know if you knew this, there's a nail in your tire. You're getting new tires, so it doesn't really matter. Just thought I'd point that out. But yeah, I'm gonna crank down on this bottom nut and then we'll be there.